Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be giving you a couple of decoration ideas for Mother's Day. Come on with me, guys. So this video is a part of a collaboration called All About Mom Extravaganza. And this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Sonia Down South, and Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. As in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So here, as you can see, I'm going to be decorating a couple of tier trays, and this one is one of them, and it's coming out absolutely beautiful. I'm also going to be creating a floral arrangement for you, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you in and out of the video. So this tier tray turned out absolutely beautiful, perfect for a cozy corner. Let's move on to the next one. So now this farmhouse tier tray is going to go in my living room and it's going to look amazing. So I'm loving everything in there, especially that leopard shoe. Let's move on to the floral arrangement. So this was a DIY vase I absolutely love. And then I decided to go with 2 colors of pink, 2 shades of pink, and we're gonna go ahead, create this floral arrangement and head on over to the reveal. This turned out absolutely gorgeous. So I do want to wish all of the moms out there and the role models a happy Mother's Day. May your day be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.